City Traffic Police have conducted a massive night campaign for 3 days from related to three issues that could be triple seating, modified silence, and drunk and drive cases in past 3 days from 27th March to 29th March. As you can see over there, the Pune City Traffic Police conducted a massive 3-day enforcement campaign targeting specific traffic violations, resulting in thousands of cases and collection of over 57 lakh in the fines. The special drive, which ran from 27th March to 29th March, focused primarily on triple seat riding, modified silence, and drunk and drive across the city. According to the Deputy Commissioner of Police, Himmat Jadhav, the department took against 1,265 motorcycles for triple seat riding. Additionally, 320 Royal Enfield Bullet motorcycles were penalized for using modified silencers that cause significant noise pollution. In a strict move, the police removed the illegal silencers on the spot. This segment of the drive alone resulted in the fine collection of 5,79,000. Furthermore, 234 modified silence and 852 vehicles were seized during the operations. Zero tolerance for drunk driving has also been saved. To curb this drunk driving situation, Naka Bandi, like the checkposts at various strategic locations throughout the Pune. During this checks, 186 drivers were caught and booked for drunk driving offences. The scale of the drive extended beyond on the primary targets, with accounting for all various traffic rule violations over the 3-day period. The Pune Traffic Police collected total 51,54,200 fines in fines. According to DCP, Himmat Jadhav issued an appeal to the public, emphasizing that the modified silencers are not just a major source. It is just a major source of noise pollution. The police also highlighted that the life-threatening risks associated with triple seat riding and drunk driving. Driving is a serious and punishable offense. We urge citizens not to risk their lives or the lives for others. This statement, which has been said by DCP Himmat Jadhav, as we have seen, in this massive 3 days campaign from 27th to 29th March, the Pune City Traffic Police have taken the campaign related to triple seat and drunk and drive and modified silence. Nowadays in Pune, modified silence issue is creating a lots of panic and also lots of creating a noise pollution for the posh areas, because the people residing over the posh areas may get disturbed due to the noise pollution, like the old age peoples and the children. And in now upcoming days also, there will be a chances of the campaign related to drunk and drive, triple seat, and also modified silences. I am Harjit Kaur with camera person Ajay from Pune Times Mirror.